Husband and wife talking. Do you remember my colleague, Roger?
Yes, I do.
Well, he committed suicide.
That's horrific.
He had worked in our company for 10 years. But after his termination, his career had been mostly in eclipse. I heard that he could not handle his downfall and was under depression.
I don't understand why people commit suicide. They should instead reach out to their near and dear ones.
Yes, he could have taken the help of a counselor.
We should value our lives and consider committing suicide a sin.